Hey guys, welcome to Boxabl here at IBS 2025. We're having a lot of people coming up asking if we're having tours down the road, just 10 minutes to our facilities. So stop by if you want to sign up. We're also offering a bus here, a shuttle that can get you up to our facility.
Boxabl is one of the problem solvers. I actually learned about the company a couple of weeks ago and immediately invested. There's a real future for what they're doing.
It's an amazing facility. I would say it's definitely built for growth with 3 large buildings, I believe 40,000 square feet. And very impressed with the organization. Just everything is very tight.
We're from Tennessee, and we've been interested in Boxabl for probably about 4 years now. We think they're an amazing company. I would love the townhouse that we're seeing today.
I've been so excited to see the second story, walk in it and look at it. Absolutely amazing. I love it. And these are, I know, just prototypes, but it's exciting.